Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
TaskRabbit is an online and mobile marketplace that connects people who need help with various tasks and chores with individuals in their local area who are willing to perform those tasks for a fee. The platform allows users to find and hire taskers for a wide range of services, including house cleaning, furniture assembly, handyman work, moving, gardening, personal shopping, and much more. Making money on TaskRabbit involves becoming a tasker and offering your services to people in your local area. Here are the steps to get started and potentially earn income on TaskRabbit: 1. Sign up. Visit the TaskRabbit website or download the TaskRabbit app. Create an account as a tasker by providing your personal information, contact details, and payment information. 2. Complete your profile. Fill out your tasker profile with details about your skills, experience, and the services you can offer. Include a professional photo of yourself and any relevant certifications or qualifications. 3. Pass a background check. TaskRabbit typically requires taskers to undergo a background check to ensure the safety and trustworthiness of the platform. 4. Browse and bid on tasks. Since your profile is complete and you pass the background check, you can start browsing the tasks posted by users in your area. Review task descriptions, budgets, and deadlines to find tasks that match your skills and availability. 5. Submit bids. Submit competitive bids for the tasks you're interested in. Make sure your bids are clear, competitive, and include any additional details or questions you may have. 6. Communicate with clients. Respond promptly to messages from potential clients, and be prepared to discuss the details of the task and any specific requirements they may have. 7. Perform the task. If your bid is accepted, schedule a time with the client to perform the task. Complete the task to the best of your ability, ensuring it meets the client's expectations. 8. Get paid. Once the task is completed, the client will release payment through the TaskRabbit platform. TaskRabbit will deduct a service fee from your earnings. Payment can be received through direct deposit or other available payment methods. 9. Build your reputation. Constantly provide high-quality service and excellent customer service to receive positive reviews and ratings from clients. A good reputation can lead to more task opportunities. 10. Promote your services. You can also promote your TaskRabbit services through word of mouth, social media, and by encouraging satisfied clients to recommend you to others.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.